Delhi Capitals will take on Rajasthan Royals in their sixth game of IPL 2020 on Friday in Sharjah. Before the match, Delhi Capitals all-rounder Harshal Patel spoke on how the team is preparing for the next match. He also said it was important to focus on one's own skills before players like Jos Buttler, Steve Smith or Sanju Samson.
I think every team in IPL is extremely competitive, and that's why the quality of cricket in this tournament is unparalleled. So when it comes to players like Jos Buttler or Steve Smith or Sanju Samson, you just have to focus on executing your skill. You do your planning in the team meetings, and when you get onto the field, it's all about execution. If you execute and they get the better of you on that particular occasion, then you just have to move on from that. Whenever you are playing a high scoring game, you just have to be on top of a game all 24 balls that you bowl, and there's the margin for error is very little. At the same time, you know that it's going to be a high scoring game, so it does take a little bit of pressure off of you, because you know everybody's going to go for runs, so you can be a little more relaxed in terms of your approach to the game, and just focus on executing whatever the batsman does. If he hits you from of a good length, then you just have to accept that and move on. So when it comes to high scoring games, you have to keep it very simple and just try and execute whatever your plans are. It's been on par, to be honest. Last match I felt like I could have executed a little better, I could have planned a little better, but these things are part and parcel of the games, and you do get better as you keep playing. So I'm hopeful that I'm going to rectify those mistakes that I made in the last game, and continue the performance that I expect out of myself. We're just talking about how we can get better. Even though the last game we put on quite a clinical performance, but the conversation has always been around what else we can do to get better, what else we can do to close out those small mistakes that we are making. And we just want to get better as the tournament progresses. Everybody knows, who has been around IPL for a long time, that the second half of IPL is one of the most difficult parts of the tournament. So we don't want to get complacent, we don't want to relax. We just keep trying to get better, and just keep putting in the efforts and trying to better whatever mistakes that we are making on the field. No, to be honest, like, intensity on game day is unmatched. You can't replicate that intensity anywhere, because the amount of pressure on you, the amount of stress that goes around before the game and during the game is not replicable. So it does take a lot out of you physically and mentally. So having back-to-back games is physically and mentally both challenging, but we are professionals and we are here to do a job, and whatever the situation requires from us as athletes at that particular time, we have to step up and perform to the best of our ability.